Does the head ache constantly? The reason may be some foods that you overeat. It happens that you often have a headache, but you cannot understand the reason. We want to inform you that it is your favorite food that can be the reason. There are products that can greatly affect your well-being. 1. Legumes. Products that belong to this group contain tannins, substances that can trigger a headache. 2. Nuts. Yes, nuts themselves are healthy foods because they contain a lot of proteins, but they can become your worst enemy. Almonds, walnuts, cashews contain sulfite, and this substance can accumulate in the body and cause migraines. 3. Canned foods. Pickles and all canned foods may not have the best effect on health. Try not to eat what contains vinegar or brine. 4. Bananas and citrus fruits. They combine tyramine and histamine, which cause migraines. If your head often hurts, reduce the amount of these fruits. 5. Avocados and plums. Yes, these are useful products, but they contain tyramine, which displaces serotonin, a hormone of joy. Violation of serotonin causes a headache. 6. Chocolate and coffee. These foods may contain caffeine, tannins, and other compounds that lead to headaches. In addition, decaffeinated coffee can cause migraines, especially when cream is added to it. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.